Hey, what's up, brothers? I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Play on your Harmony OS Huawei or Honor device. But before we started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more content like this. Thank you so much. And now, let's go. The first thing you have to do, brothers, is go to my website. The link is in the description of this video, so go to description and tap on that link. The link takes you to my website, fontech.cz, and you have to scroll a bit down until you see our Play, Google Play app. Now you have to tap on this link. It will open media fire page. Tap on consent and accept and tap on this big blue button and tap on download. New notification bar, Harmony OS. Do you like it? I like this so much. It's good. Okay. The download is complete, and now we have to install the application. Tap Don't Ask Me Again and allow. Install anyway, and tap on done. And before we continue, brothers, it is safe, this method, of course. We don't know who is behind these applications which allow us install Google Play on Huawei or on a device without GMS, with HMS, so be careful. And always use these applications with your secondary Google account. Do not use your primary Google account. Now we continue. We have the Our Play application right here, so tap on the Our Play. Now confirm the green button. Scroll left. Allow green button. Allow only while in use. Allow. Green button. Green. Again green. Again green. Now we have to again green. And now we have to wait until this installation will be complete. So I will show you the settings application because we have time. Go back. Settings. This is Mate X2, the foldable phone from Huawei. I will show you system and updates. And let's try software update. Harmony OS 2. And the software is up to date, no update available. And now we have to wait. What do you think about Harmony OS? Do you like the new operation system from Huawei, or do you prefer still Android with EMUI over the Harmony OS? Let me know in the comments down below under the video, brothers. I like Harmony OS, but still, the downside is the lack of Google integrated services and applications. So, for me, because I live in Western Europe, it's a problem. But if you live outside Europe, in Asia, it will be okay. Now, again, don't ask me again and allow all the permissions. No risk detected, but still use for safety reasons your secondary account. Tap on install and tap on open. Again, there is some installation in the background, so we have to wait upon this green button. We still have to wait. So we still have to wait because, yes, okay. And now you can see these two shortcuts. Now we have to tap on the Google Play icon, this one, and tap on the green button again. Green, green, green. And now we have to wait. We still have to wait. Dun 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 dun. And from here you can log in with your Google Gmail account. So now I'm going to log in. Down. Yes, I'm in. Tap on I agree. Tap on more. Tap on accept. And now you can tap on the Google Play icon right here. And it will open Google Play on your device. And of course, from here you can search and download your favorite games and applications. I will show you. I will install and download the Facebook application. So search for Facebook, tap on install, and the Facebook app will be installed on your device. As you can see, there is also Google Play Protect with this method. And of course, you can search for other applications. You can install the WhatsApp Messenger or some games. The Facebook is now downloading word game. For example, World of Tanks Blades. You can install this very cool online game on your Huawei or on a device without Google Core services. And it's better than nothing, and it is great alternative to Huawei App Gallery and Plato Search. Or you can of course use all these methods together and download your favorite games and applications. I go back. Very nice. You tap on this again, tap on the icon, Google Play icon, and it will again open the Google Play Store. And as you can see, now after downloading, we have the Facebook icon right here. And if you want to add more, you can add more applications from here and confirm the operation with the again green button. And if you want to go to, and it will open the Google Play applications, and you can download everything you want. So I do hope you ended up enjoy the videos, brothers. This is how to install Google Play on your Harmony OS based Huawei or on the device. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and as always, stay safe. With the mask. Peace out and thank you so much.